Hello, I'm Claire, and I'm very excited to introduce to you the Kiko Bravo Trio system. The Bravo Trio system is designed exclusively for use with the #1 rated Kiko KeyFit infant car seat. The Bravo provides 3 unique modes of use to adapt to your changing travel needs as your baby grows, making it the ideal choice as you prepare for the arrival of your new child. In its first mode for use with young infants, Bravo functions as a lightweight and stylish car seat carrier. The Bravo seat and canopy can be removed easily, revealing a lightweight car seat carrier. The KeyFit clicks right in. This is most helpful when baby is always in the KeyFit. It means the Bravo is lighter and the fashions will look their best longer. During the transition time, when baby still rides in the KeyFit, but may also like to sit up and see the world from the stroller, the Bravo functions as a travel system. When your baby outgrows the KeyFit, the Bravo is a full-featured toddler stroller, perfect for everyday travel for your growing baby. The aluminum frame Bravo stroller comes loaded with features to make strolling comfortable for baby and convenient for you. And only Kiko could improve on the quick fold. Simply lift the handle under the seat, and the front wheels swivel into position, allowing a self-standing compact fold. The multi-position reclining seat and all-wheel suspension help to create just the right ride for baby. The large storage basket is accessible even when the backrest is fully reclined. And a height-adjustable handle easily accommodates both mom and dad. Other features include an extendable canopy with peekaboo window, a parent tray, and linked rear brakes. The Bravo Trio system also includes the KeyFit 30 infant car seat, accommodating infants from 4 to 30 pounds. It's the #1 rated infant car seat. 3 unique modes of use to adapt to your changing travel needs as your baby grows. The Bravo Trio system, the ideal choice in a 3-in-1 travel system, only from Kiko.
Place the base on the vehicle seat. Pull up on the recline adjustment lever on the front of the base. Move the base up or down until the red marker is visible between the two lines on the recline angle indicators. Firmly pull to remove lower connectors from their storage in the base. Press and hold lower connector release button and pull the lower connectors to lengthen. Press the lower connectors onto their adjacent vehicle lower anchors until a click is heard. Pull the lower connectors to verify they are secure. While pressing the center of the base into the seat, pull up on the lower connector straps that are located in the center of the base to tighten. To achieve the tightest install, you can push on the right or left of the base while pulling the correlating latch webbing. Feed excess webbing back into base and ensure that lower connector straps are flush with the base. Check that the lower connector straps are tight and that the base is secure. The base is secure when it moves less than 1 inch front to back or side to side at the vehicle belt path. Check that the recline angle is correct and confirm that the red marker is visible between the two lines on the recline angle indicators. Place the infant car seat into the base and press down until a click is heard. Pull up on the infant car seat to verify attachment. To remove the infant car seat, pull and hold the release lever on the back of the infant car seat. Lift the infant car seat up from the base.
When placing the child in the Mesa, here is a checklist of items you can go through. So when a child is rearward facing, the harness must be at or below their shoulders. To adjust the Mesa headrest, you simply pull this tab and then push this down, and then you should hear it lock. So now we have the harness at or below the child's shoulders. Next, we're going to buckle him in. And what you want to do is pull the slack out of the thighs. I'm just adjusting my chest clip or retainer clip, tightening my harness by pulling this strap at the bottom. Again, checking my slack in my thighs. And then you're going to buckle your chest clip. To check for tightness, you have to do the pinch test, which is applied up near the shoulders of the child. I am going to force this pinch. You shouldn't be pinching a harness like that. If you are, your harness isn't tight enough. Your hand should slide right off the harness, and if that's the case, your harness is tight enough. Your chest clip must be at armpit level, and in our case, our buckle has no weight limit on it. So again, it's about proper fit. So if the child is sitting on top of the buckle or the harness is cutting into their little thighs, at that point it's time to move to our forward crotch buckle location. And our buckle slides in and out very easily. The last thing to think of with the Mesa is looking at when it's time to transition to the next car seat. Key indications it's time to transition out of the UPPAbaby Mesa is when your child meets the upper weight limit, which is 35 pounds, or the height limit, which is 32 inches. A good rule of thumb is that when our headrest is in the utmost position and the child is infringing upon that 1 inch mark from the top of the headrest structure, then it's time to move to the next seat, which is a convertible.